There's a secret to Voodoo Child, and I'm going to solve the whole issue for you in less than 5 minutes. The problem when you go to learn Voodoo Child is the tabs look like this. Okay, I respect tabs like that, that's good transcription, but they contain every accidental pull-off, every accidental open string mute that Jimi did. And if you went back in time and showed Jimi that tab and said, hey, Jimi, this is what you did in Voodoo Child, he'd be like, wow, I did that. That's crazy. I didn't even know I did that, right? Here's the secret. Jimi Hendrix generally had simple blues licks in his mind, and he played them with absolute fire. Now look at my tab. Okay, my tab has no crazy mutes and no crazy open strings, and no, we're not setting our guitars on fire or nothing like that. It's a simple blues melody. Learn it with me really fast. Read that tab there. Ready? All right, ready? 9, 7, 9, 7 on 3. Okay, fourth string, 5th fret twice. Let's do this pull off here. And then back. That is all you really need to know to play Voodoo Child. Now let me explain how to put the fire in there. Jimi was not Jimi because he was a technician. He wasn't really that fast or accurate when he played. He never played the same way twice on any song. Now we can add some technical things. So instead of going like this, let's hammer into that 9. Let's hammer into the next 9. So you have, right, put a nasty vibrato on that 7. Let's go crazy, right? Next phrase. Right, instead of going, go. He always did that. Right, come back. You see that? I'm hammering into that. I'm putting vibrato into it, right? So the point is you put your own fire into it, right? Are you or me going to play with the same fire as Jimi? That's probably not going to happen. Stevie Ray came real close, but you can play with your own fire. Let's play it straight. 2, 3, 4. Same phrase. First phrase. Last time. Right, bend that 10, 8, and then do this. You have to do that because Jimi always did it. All right, so that's our straight sort of phrase. We don't want to play it that way because it sounds so normal. So now check this out. You've got fire too, okay? Put those little bends, those hammers in there. Guys, don't read those tabs anymore on Hendrix tunes. What is the basic melody? And go nuts on it. Let me give you a little bonus trick on Voodoo Child in relation to the rhythm. Okay, again, you read those tabs and they're just hieroglyphics, right? They mean nothing at all to a normal guitar player like us. All right, here's the riff, watch. Hit your kind of an E power chord. I do it like this. If you want to hold like an E power chord like that, it's an E major chord even if you want. Okay, and then bend the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then pull it off. And then land on the 4th string. And then go like this, 6th string, and then 3rd fret, and then 4th fret. 4th string, 2nd fret. Okay, so we have. Okay, that's not how he did it though. He went. Right, just destroying his strat, right? So that's sort of the attitude you have to have when you play the rhythm of Voodoo Child. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.